This simple diagram is a great way to help you remember the brachial plexus, such as for an exam setting. Simply start by drawing 3 parallel lines. Add the additional nerve roots that join them. Draw on the divisions. And then finally add the splits that make the final nerves. After this, you then need to simply label it by considering the 3 main parts: the roots that they come from, the names of the separate sections, and the names of the nerves that ultimately arise. With the principles of atomic learning, you can take these separate components and break them down into their own flashcard devices to help you remember them better. If you want to, you can also build on this by learning the additional nerves that come off this major structure. However, these are in addition to the basic model that you've been able to draw here.